Did you know that the liver is responsible for over 500 functions in the body? It's also the master transformation site that filters toxins from the blood to neutralize and eliminate them. These toxins can include synthetic chemicals, excess hormones, heavy metals, sugar, processed foods, etc. Most importantly, the liver helps to detoxify the blood to get rid of harmful substances. The good news is that the liver is remarkably efficient at renewing itself, and so when given a chance the cells in the liver can regenerate and work as they should. There are 8 superfoods that naturally cleanse your liver. 1. Tea. Tea is widely considered to be beneficial for health, but evidence has shown that it may have benefits for the liver. A study based in Japan found that drinking 5 to 10 cups of green tea a day was associated with improved blood markers of liver health. This may be down to a compound known to assist liver function named catechin. Green tea is packed full of this plant antioxidant. Just be mindful of green tea extract as it can have a negative effect. 2. Cruciferous vegetables. This includes, but is not limited to, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, cabbage and kale. These vegetables are a major source of glutathione, which triggers the toxin cleansing enzymes of the liver. Eating cruciferous vegetables will increase production of glucosinolate in your system, which helps flush out carcinogens and other toxins. 3. Turmeric. In addition to its use as a spice and pigment, turmeric has been used in India for medicinal purposes for centuries. Curcumin is the active ingredient in turmeric, and it has powerful biological properties. This spice helps the enzymes that flush out toxins and contains antioxidants that repair liver cells. It also assists the liver in detoxing metals, while boosting bile production. 4. Citrus. While also providing a big hit of vitamin C, citrus fruits stimulate the liver and aid the synthesizing of toxic materials into substances that can be absorbed by water. Grapefruit is particularly beneficial as it contains 2 primary antioxidants, naringin and naringenin. These may help protect the liver from injury by reducing inflammation and protecting the liver cells. 5. Beetroot. Beets also contain vitamin C and a healthy dose of fiber, which are both natural cleansers for the digestive system. But more impressively, beets assist with increasing oxygen by cleansing the blood, and can break down toxic wastes to help them be excreted quicker. They stimulate bile flow and boost enzymatic activity. 6. Garlic. Garlic is loaded with sulfur, which activates liver enzymes that help your body flush out toxins. Garlic also holds high amounts of selenium. Selenium is an essential micronutrient that has been shown to help boost the natural antioxidant enzyme levels in our livers. Supplementing with selenium gives our livers even more ammunition in the fight against the damage caused by oxidative stress. 7. Walnuts. Walnuts are a good source of glutathione, omega-3 fatty acids, and the amino acid arginine, which supports normal liver cleansing actions, especially when detoxifying ammonia. 8. Olive oil. Although it is a fat, olive oil is considered a healthy fat. Cold-pressed organic oils such as olive, hemp, and flaxseed offer great support for the liver, providing the body with a liquid base that can suck up harmful toxins in the body. It has also been shown to decrease the levels of fat in the liver. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with everyone. If you want more natural remedies and tips, subscribe to the channel.